This is my fridge freezer, which I've now had for almost 10 years. I have a bit of a problem with it because whilst I keep it well stocked with food, there are lots of problems with it. Things like, as you can see, look, it's all split, which means it isn't as efficient as it ought be. It's all stained, and no matter how much cleaning, I can't do anything with it to improve it. Also got a problem with some of the boxes. As you can see, they're broken and split, so not very hygienic. That's in the fridge. And when we come to the freezer, much the same. We've got pitting, obviously on the rubber around it, around the door. And when we come to open it, open the doors, oh, that's what's happening. And our food is starting to defrost. I really, really need a new one. Desperately need a new one, but really can't, sadly, afford to get one at the moment, so having to make do.